Hello, in this video I will show you how to make screenshot on Mac. So there is two ways to do the screenshot. The first way is the combination of Shift, Command and 3. So here it is, the full screenshot. But the second one and my preference is Shift, Command 4. So as you can see, there is a little cross and we can make a cut of screen. So for example, like this. As you can see, this is only the square we have made. So no all screen, just the square we have made. So I guess it's better for most of people because you don't have to make full screenshot. So that's all. If you enjoyed this tutorial, leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.